Hey everyone, today I am so excited to finally do this video. I ordered this stuff so long ago and so many things were happening that I couldn't record it. It is finally happening and I'm so excited. It is a affordable wedding dress try-on haul and everything is from ASOS and everything is under $200. If you didn't know, ASOS has a bridal section and it's kind of on and off. I've been thinking about doing this video for a really long time and so I'm always like eyeing it and like figuring out which dresses to do, and for a while they had like no selection and no sizes and I was really discouraged. But recently it's like, I don't know, they decided we're back in this and they had a much bigger selection and way more dresses that I thought I could get in my size, and so I went for it. And today I have 5 dresses and they're all under $200. They do have dresses that go above $200, but I wanted to keep it in the more affordable range. I mean, I know that's like a very relative term, but I just love the idea of a more money conscious wedding. I love it. I'm not exactly doing it. Not that my wedding is going to be like, wow, super crazy or anything, but there's part of me that during this planning process has been like, oh my gosh, like let's do it in the backyard. Like, let's just like go to the courthouse. Like, let's not make it this whole thing. Like, this is craziness. Anything, when you put the word wedding next to it, it's like the price like quadruples. I don't know what I just said, but it kind of makes me sick. And it kind of is like, I don't know, I just take a step back and I'm like, is this what it's supposed to be? Like, why are we doing this? Ugh. And I know it's something, it's just like, we're like programmed, like it has to be like this. And like the whole Pinterest cycle just like chews you up and spits you out. And then you end up with this thing and you're just like, where did that money go? I could go on and on about this and like rant about it forever. I'm gonna stop though, because I can't wait to show you these dresses. I found some that I didn't like so much. I found others that are like, I love this dress, like love this dress. I don't know how I can talk myself into keeping it just because I don't know how I have my dress. Like, I'm not gonna be able to wear one of these dresses, but like, you'll see. Basically, I just never seen a video like this. I'm sure they're out there, but affordable wedding dresses are totally possible. And I feel like under $200 is, I don't know, I was just inspired. You guys already know how I feel about wedding dress shopping. I could do it for the rest of my life. I just wanna keep it going. Can you blame me? If you missed those vlogs, they're on my vlog channel, LeighAnn Vlogs, self-promotion. Thank you very much. I'm sorry so much. Anyway, ASOS Bridal, I'm reviewing it, tried all the dresses on. There will be links down below for all the dresses that are still available, but I actually just checked this morning and the selection has changed. But I will tell you, there are some that are like, oh, why did I not get this one for the video? But it's like new. So I feel like they changed that section a whole lot. Y'all know, I love ASOS. I don't even have to tell you. Anyway, I've got short dresses, I've got long dresses, I've got super fancy, I've got more boho, different price points. I'm all over the place. And this intro is like out of control. I'm gonna stop. Also, it's raining. Can you hear that? Raining on your wedding day. Is that good luck or is it bad luck? Why do I feel like that's good luck? I really hope it doesn't rain on my wedding day. Okay, I'm actually gonna start with a dress that I don't think was technically in the bridal section. It didn't come in one of the ASOS bridal boxes, which I love this presentation. Let me just say that. You get this huge box and there's like a sticker on the outside that I ripped off like an animal. And then on the inside, you get a gray garment bag. It's all wrapped up in paper and you get a nice wooden hanger with it. It's just like, I appreciate the presentation. I feel like they really stepped it up because it's like, it's a little more special than your like everyday ASOS bag. I love that. But this first dress was not technically bridal, but it is a white dress. One of the reasons why I had to get this dress is because it reminds me of one of the dresses that I tried on at Lovely Bride. It has like big statement sleeves, like almost like an avant-garde situation. The sleeves that I tried on, they were like, whoa, crazy. And I love these sleeves. They're almost like a scuba material where they're more structured, but they're still stretchy. And then this is all like a netted situation with a sweetheart neckline, and it's like fitted on your hips. And then it's more of like a midi length. This one was not like a tall section dress as far as I remember, but I like the length on me. It would need to be fitted for me to be comfortable wearing it, but I do really like it. I also really like the deep V in the back, and the net that you can see through. You obviously can't really wear a bra with this, which is a little bit tricky because this dress is super see-through. I shot the try-on clips yesterday, so I got a chance to look at them last night, and this dress is like crazy see-through. I am so sorry if I am offending the world right now. Mom, I'm sorry. But this dress is so see-through, but I feel like with the right slip or the right Spanx or whatever undergarments you want to wear, you could easily fix that. This dress was only $76, and I love that. I love short wedding dresses. I don't know why. I knew that I wasn't gonna go for a short wedding dress, but anytime I see them on blogs or on Instagram, I'm just like, I want that, I need that. And I'm kind of thinking a dress like this or this dress would be really good for the rehearsal dinner. I don't know. What do you think? It's technically just a white dress. Is that okay? I don't know. Let me know what you think. Did you guys wear a short wedding dress? I have another short one that I'm very excited to show you too. Okay, next up I have this one. It is super minimal, really simple, chic. It almost gives me kind of like a 90s vibe. Any kind of like slip dress, it always does that to me. But this one is a maxi. It goes all the way down to the floor. The length is actually really good, and I'm tall. I'm 5'11", so there was part of me that was like, okay, none of these are gonna be long enough for me, even if it says it's like maxi to the floor, all of that. But I was pleasantly surprised, and none of these are like tragically too short. I wouldn't be able to wear like sky-high heels, but I don't really want to do that anyway. I don't know. I want to be comfortable, okay? I don't care about the shoes. But I really, really like this dress. I really like the fit. It's just a super simple, kind of like a square neck spaghetti strap. Does anyone say spaghetti strap anymore? That's a 90s term for sure. It's really shiny. That is one thing that kind of caught me off guard. The material is like, it's not satiny. It kind of has the look of satin, but it's not satiny. It's just real shiny. And obviously that's a look, that's something that you might want, but it's something that you might not want either. And when I was looking online, I didn't really see that that was the case. I also really like the seams, like here across the bust where it goes across and then there's two lines here. I don't know why. That's such a like minimal detail, but I really, really like it. And this one was only $119. Okay, I think I'm gonna save like the best for last, or like my personal favorite for last. But this one is by far the craziest. And I'm not sure if they still have this one online. You'll have to look, but they do have another one that's kind of a version. I don't know. I got this dress. I think they called it like the Pintuck shoulder dress. And this one is a floor length dress. It has that kind of shiny look again, but it's just like a lot of pleats and folds, and it's a whole lot of sleeve. You guys know I like a lot of sleeve. This is maybe not enough sleeve for me. I like ruffles, I like volume, I like bell sleeves, all of that business. And this is like on another level. This is very like 80s, maybe early 90s to me. There is nothing I love more than an 80s bride. I mean, not that I would go there. I have a lot of affection for the 80s, and I don't know where it comes from. It just radiates from within. Like, have you seen the whole like headband trend that happened in the 80s? Like, they were all wearing these huge headbands across their foreheads with their veil. Like, that is a bold choice, and I respect that. I respect that you went there. Actually, so many people went there. Like, it's crazy to me that that was such a huge trend, and it makes me so nervous about doing things for my wedding because I look at it and I'm like, okay, what out of all of these little like trendy things that I like am I gonna look back on and be like, what were we thinking? Like, what is the 80s bride headband of my wedding? I'm a little nervous. Anyway, this dress, Death Becomes Her. Anyone? Meryl Streep? Do you know her? This is just a lot of dress. There is a train happening. It's a little on the shorter side for me, but the train, I don't know, it does something for me. It definitely doesn't fit me very well. Obviously, everybody's body is different. It could totally fit you perfectly. I got it in a 4. I think I got all of these dresses in a 4, and I probably could have sized up in all of them. And then like, if this was gonna be my wedding dress, size up and then go get it fitted so it like fit perfectly. That is like kind of the best bet all the time in my opinion, but especially with these dresses, because usually a 4 fits me, but in these, I feel like they ran small. And this one was just like a weird fit all over. Maybe I was too tall for it. I don't really know, but these sleeves just like crack me up. If you were down to do like a 80s Death Becomes Her wedding, I'm pretty sure Death Becomes Her was 90s, but like, tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong. Oh, I almost forgot. The sleeves. They are extremely fitted to the point where they put these invisible zippers in the sleeves. And it was like basically impossible for me to put this on myself. Slash, I need to mention, it was basically impossible for me to put on all of these dresses by myself. Like I didn't zip up or button up all of these in the back just because I couldn't. Like, hello, I live alone. I'm a lonely woman. I can't zip up the back. Half the time I like show up somewhere and I have to like find my friend real quick and be like, zip me up quick. I'm not dressed. That's one of the reasons why I'm getting married. That's normal, right? Anyway, obviously on your wedding day, you're probably gonna have somebody that will help you zip up your dress or zip up your wrists. I did not have that. I asked Luna. She said no, it's whatever. But this dress, I mean, it's a certain kind of thing and I knew it was an out there choice, but I appreciate that they're offering it. Also, this one was 190, so it was almost 200, but not quite. Okay, this next dress is definitely a favorite, but it's not my top favorite, and it's actually like 9 day from my top favorite. It is a sequin tulle mini dress. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this one. This one is like Ice Princess to me. Like, put me on the ice. I'm ready for the triple axel. I've been preparing for this moment on my life coach. I love the high neck. It's got like almost a semi turtleneck kind of thing. It's covered in sequins. I don't know if you can truly see all the detail here, but they're kind of iridescent. They're white, but they have like a purple, blue, green shift. It's flowers and it's leaves, and just the flowers are iridescent. And other than that, it's mesh and it's see-through, which I did not realize when I ordered it. And so what did I do? But I just grabbed my silicone nipple covers. I actually use the ones that are not adhesive and they kind of cover like my whole boob. And I just slipped them in there and that actually completely fixed the problem. I'm pretty sure you can't see my nipples in the try on section. If you can, don't say anything. I didn't mean to, but I love this. Obviously it would be a major statement to wear at a wedding, but I love it. And if you wore this at your wedding, like, oh my God, I love you. I love the buttons all the way up the back. It's amazing. I love this detail. Sadly, I was not able to do any of the buttons up myself. This is definitely not like a lonely girl outfit option, but I still love it. The skirt, obviously super cute, super like Ice Princess. It's definitely not long enough for me. Mini skirts and mini dresses are just really hard for me to get if they're not like specifically for tall girls, but I'm in love with this. I just really, really, really love this dress. It's a lot, and so am I. We belong together. This one was 190, which I actually am a little bit surprised by because all of these sequins, like this doesn't feel cheap. Do you know what I mean? Not that $190 is cheap. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm just saying this is a lot of detail, and I am impressed that it was only $190. I feel like this would be a really cute like prom dress too. If you think I'm insane for loving this, like, I don't know if you understand me as a person, because like this is me as a person. Not really. It's definitely a big part of me as a person. Okay, let's move on to the 5th dress. All right, this is the last dress, and it's the one that I fell in love with more than any of the other ones. It's also $190. It's a full length maxi all lace dress. The sleeves are see-through, and I absolutely love the detail here. I think the sleeves were like a little bit short on me, but didn't bother me at all. It's got that kind of, I don't know, what do you call this? It's like the eyelash lace. I don't think I tried on any dresses that were remotely like this. I love the high neck, and I absolutely love the crop detail. It's not a crop top. It's not a 2-piece. There's a big part of me that was really drawn to that. You guys know I cannot resist a crop top. I'm so about that. And I know some people hate it, and I know it's a more of like a trendy thing, but I resisted because I was like, girl, that is like the 80s headband. Like, you do not want to do that on your wedding day. You're gonna have to like look at these pictures for the rest of your life. Like, I know it's not that serious, but with this dress, I was able to live out that fantasy. It's just got kind of a strip here that is a see-through mesh, like an illusion. I don't even know what you call it. It's just like a very sheer fabric, and it goes all the way around, and they have that eyelash lace around the crop top area. It's not super fitted up top. I love that it cinches in at the waistline, even though it's not super fitted anywhere else. It's full length. It was long enough on me. I could probably wear flats with this, but I could also wear like a low heel. It could go either way. Like I said, I don't really care about that, but I also really like the skirt on this. It is a couple of layers. There's kind of some like petticoat action going on under here. I don't know fashion terms. I'm gonna say petticoat. That's probably not the right thing to say, but there's this kind of like heavier, stiffer mesh in here, and that gives it a lot more volume than it would have if it was just like the lace and the lining. I just really, really love this dress. I feel like that's gonna like blindside you guys. Like y'all probably would not see me in a dress like this. The dress that I got is not like this, but I don't know. I just love it. I probably shouldn't have done this. Like, well, I'm glad I didn't like fall in love with any of them more than my actual dress, but like this was a dangerous move on my part. Well, you know me. I like to live on the edge. So basically, I just wanted to investigate and see if ASOS Bridal was actually a good option for girls that wanted to save money on their dresses or save money on their wedding. And after doing this, I think it actually is a really, really good option. I found favorites. I would probably size up if you're ordering from there, and also really pay attention to what undergarments you're gonna wear. So either you're gonna get a really good slip or some really good Spanx, because some of them tend to be more see-through than you'd probably want them to be. But in my opinion, once you get these dresses fitted to you, it's like a dream dress. Like, I think this is absolutely a great option. And I would love to do more videos like this, like just as an excuse for me to try on more dresses. So do you guys know anywhere else that I can order wedding dresses like this in like a non-commitment kind of style? I don't know if you guys would be interested. I definitely want to hear your opinions down below. Do you want to see more of this? Do you have suggestions? Which one was your favorite? There were 5 dresses here. I want to know what your favorite was. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you are, thank you so much. You are my people and I love you. I would love to have you back. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find me on social media. It's LeighAnnSays everywhere, and I love talking to you guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone. I haven't recorded in a while. I miss doing this. I got a lot to say. Calm down, Leigh Ann.